Have you seen the videos where everyone's contouring their double chin using their cream product and adding a ton of it underneath? Instead, I want you to take a brush, go directly into the product, go behind your ear, and pull forward to your chin. Then from there, you are going to blend this down, but if we try to blend this, we're changing our neck color. And it's gonna be really obvious when we're looking to the side and people are seeing us. Whereas here, you still get that slimming effect without having a ton of contour product. So this is gonna be less time because you don't have to blend as much. You're gonna use less product, which is gonna make your product last longer, and you're gonna save money because you don't have to replace it as often. Like this one, there's a lot of techniques that I don't think work for most people. And that's why I'm here to teach. And I have online makeup courses to help people truly get the desired looks that they want for their bone structure and their specific goals. My new course, Complexion Perfection, is all about complexion and contour and skincare, because skincare first. You're going to learn the proper way to apply contouring for your specific face shape and what products to use, whether it's powder, cream, brushes to use, and so much more. Obviously, we're also going to talk about bronzer, blush, concealer, powder, etc. I'm very excited about it. I've put all of my knowledge from doing makeup professionally for over 16 years into this course, so you have a step-by-step guide to help you get from point A to B and all the in-betweens. So if you're overwhelmed and confused, you no longer will be. You're going to feel fierce and fabulous. If you have any questions, ask them below. Otherwise, I'll see you there.